All right, gentlemen, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what it really takes to make a woman feel deeply attracted and aroused by you? You're in for a treat, because today we're diving into the secrets that 99% of women find irresistible. Stick around till the end, because this one might just change the way you think about attraction forever. Section 1. Confidence, the ultimate turn-on. Let's start with the foundation, confidence. Women are drawn to a man who knows his worth and stands tall in his energy. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's about 1. Owning who you are. 2. Being decisive and sure of yourself. 3. Carrying yourself with a sense of purpose. When you exude confidence, you send a message. I know who I am, and I know what I want. That energy is magnetic. Remember, confidence is an attitude, not a performance. It comes from within. Section 2. Being present in the moment. Here's the thing most guys don't realize. One of the biggest turn-ons for women is a man who is fully present. 1. When you're having a conversation, listen to her, not just to respond, but to truly understand. 2. Put your phone down. Look into her eyes. 3. React to her words with genuine interest. Women can sense when your mind is elsewhere. When you give her your undivided attention, it makes her feel special and valued. That emotional connection can spark physical attraction faster than you might think. Section 3. Mastering the art of subtle touch. Now let's talk about touch. A simple, well-timed touch can light up her senses, but the key is subtlety and respect. Start with light, non-invasive touches like 1. Gently brushing her hand when handing her something. 2. Touching her shoulder while guiding her through a door. 3. A soft touch on her back during a conversation. When done naturally, touch creates a spark of connection. But remember, if she seems uncomfortable, back off immediately. The goal is to make her feel safe and intrigued, not pressured. Section 4. Speaking with emotional depth. Here's a truth most men miss. Women are deeply moved by words that connect on an emotional level. Compliments like, "You're beautiful," are nice, but what really stands out is noticing the unique things about her, like 1. I love the way your eyes light up when you talk about what you're passionate about. 2. Or, the way you think about things is so inspiring. These kinds of comments show her that you're paying attention to who she really is, not just what she looks like. It's these deeper compliments that stick with her and stir her emotions. Section 5. Taking the lead, but with balance. Let's talk about something primal, the allure of a man who can take the lead. It's not about dominating or controlling. It's about confidently guiding the situation. For example, 1. Plan the date and let her know, "I've got something special planned for us." 2. Open the door for her or offer your hand as she steps out of a car. This kind of leadership makes her feel cared for and gives her space to relax into her feminine energy. However, always be tuned into her comfort level. Lead, but don't push. Section 6. The power of humor. Now here's a big one. Making her laugh. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who can bring joy and lightness into a moment. A well-timed joke or playful banter can create an instant bond. But remember, humor isn't about trying too hard. It's about being yourself and sharing your unique wit. Pro tip: don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. A man who can poke fun at himself shows confidence and humility, and that's incredibly attractive. Section 7. Scent, a secret weapon. Believe it or not, your scent plays a huge role in attraction. A good fragrance can leave a lasting impression on her mind and body. Here's how to nail it. 1. Choose a cologne that matches your personality, something fresh, woody, or spicy. 2. Apply lightly. A dab on your neck and wrists is plenty. Smell triggers memory, and a great scent can make her think of you long after you've parted ways. Section 8. Being vulnerable, the hidden strength. Here's one many men overlook: vulnerability. Showing her your authentic self, including your fears and dreams, creates a deep emotional bond. For instance, 1. Share a personal story about something that's meaningful to you. 2. Be open about what you're passionate about, even if it feels a little scary. Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's courage. It shows her that you trust her enough to open up, and that's an incredibly powerful way to connect. Section 9. Body language, the silent communicator. Nonverbal communication speaks louder than words. Women notice everything about how you carry yourself, so let your body language work for you. Here are a few tips. 1. Stand tall, with your shoulders back. 2. Maintain natural, comfortable eye contact. 3. Smile genuinely, not just with your lips, but with your eyes. When your body language aligns with your words, it amplifies your charm and makes you irresistible. Section 10. Being patient and respectful of her pace. Finally, let's talk about something absolutely critical: patience. Building attraction and arousal isn't a race, it's a dance. 1. Let her set the pace and follow her lead. 2. Be attentive to her comfort and signals. By respecting her pace, you show her that you're not just interested in her body, but in her well-being and happiness too. And that's the ultimate turn on. So there you have it. The 10 things that ignite a woman's desire and make you unforgettable. Remember, it's not just about doing these things. It's about being the kind of man who embodies them. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights on how to elevate your relationships. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay confident, stay kind, and always be yourself.